Pour Judgement is the brainchild of longtime local bartender and artist Hank Whiten. PJ's, as it's known in local circles, quickly became famous for their burger and beer special, their award-winning wings, a daily nori special, plus an amazing selection of innovative menu items.
Hey, I'm Hank. Welcome to Pour Judgement. So welcome, this is Pour Judgement. We started in 2006. We started with a very simple concept of great food, great beer, and a very casual atmosphere.
Tell the story.
Well, we like to call Pour Judgement part of the Rebirth of Broadway. The kitchen manager has done her tenure downtown at some of the finest establishments, and now this is the soul of Broadway.
We do amazing things here. We not only have the best craft beer list on the island, but we also have awesome food. We have the most delicious handcrafted burgers. We have award-winning wings, dry rubbed, baked, then they're fried. We have a po' boy, shrimp and scallops wrapped in bacon, delicious homemade slaw, some chipotle aioli. We have little neck clams. We have jambalaya. In fact, we're gonna go in the kitchen. We're gonna make a jambalaya, delicious Cajun dish. We're gonna make a Portuguese little neck clam. I'll see you in the kitchen. First dish we're going to do today is a traditional New England steamed little neck clams. A little bit of pepper and salt, not too much salt because clams naturally will exude salt water, which brings so much of the flavor to the dish. I'm going to start with the chorizo. You want to hear a nice sizzle when you put everything into the pan. Some red and green peppers and onions, some garlic, and then we're going to let that saute just for a few seconds. Everything else. And you don't want to burn your garlic, because burnt garlic is bitter. So, then I put the clams in. Toss everything around. Then I'm adding just some simple white wine. And a touch of butter. A little more than a touch, but we like it that way. And then we cover that, and it'll take about 4 or 5 minutes, depending on how hot your burner is. Okay, we're gonna make a nice jambalaya. This is a dish pretty much out of Louisiana, very New Orleans. Again, I start with a little bit of blended oil, salt and pepper. Throw my shrimp in first to sear. And then we use andouille sausage. Andouille sausage is a Cajun sausage that is so packed with flavor. It's my favorite. It has a nice heat to it. It has good spice in it. It brings the whole dish together. It's slightly spicy, yet you don't have to add any crushed red pepper or any kind of hot pepper product. I love it in so many dishes, chicken, seafood, vegetables. It adds a lot to pretty much anything you cook. And then that just simmers really quickly. Just checking on our clams right now, and they're still working. Very nice. So I'm gonna flip my shrimp, add the peppers, onions, and garlic. Just our customers literally try everything, and it's really, really wonderful because we are a burger joint. We're not a dive bar, an upscale dive bar, lots of times diving, but the food really doesn't parallel what you think you would get here, and we love that about this place. So I'm gonna add the clam juice. We've done more than 400 plates in a single shift out of this kitchen, so we gotta be quick, quick and dirty, basically. So we try and bring the most flavor that we can. I'm gonna add the rice and beans and the most interesting dishes we can, but yet in the quickest possible fashion. So we kind of pride ourselves on our dishes going out in minutes. All right, I'm gonna just take the cover off of this dish. I'm gonna put it on here and let this go for a few minutes. So while we're waiting for everything to cook, take it to rolling into the kitchen. There's no time to waste here. Throwing a burger on the grill. We hand make our burgers. Handmade 8-ounce burger. We sell a ton of these. We also have a special burger and a beer, $9. We add a little, it's kind of a funky ingredient, but we put sherry wine. We cook down peppers, onions, and sherry wine. Cook it down a lot. And then, so it gets really, dense with the wine. You can't taste it when you eat it, but it adds something special to our burgers. All right, so we've got our clams. They're all set. You have to have a lot of bread to sop up the juice because it's super delicious and packed with flavor. And the chorizo, it's a local company, Mellow Chorizo, really good flavor. And lots of broth, good flavor. Your bread, and boom, it's ready to go. We usually just put a little bit of chopped scallions on there, and it's ready to go. So I think the jambalaya is ready. We're gonna take the lid off, and it looks delicious. Nice seared andouille sausage. Very simple one-pan dish. Put it in your bowl, and then a little bit of chopped scallion again, and we're ready to go. Okay, so these are the guys responsible for all the food that comes out of this kitchen, and there's a few more, but they're the most amazing employees, or co-workers, not employees, co-workers in the world, and I count on them every day, and they are just beyond words. So I thank you, Carlos and Eswin, for everything you do, and all the guys that work with you that aren't here right now, that make this place really run. It's not me. I'm behind the scenes. It's these guys who are also behind the scenes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.
Outrageous food here.
The most friendly people in the world, and you feel at home.
This is awesome. Just the environment that's here. The bartenders are friendly.
We came here as soon as we got engaged.
That's right.
I have friends that come in from out of town, and tourists will ask me, where should I go? I said, send them down to Broadway. There's a variety of good places, but Pour Judgement is an elegant dive, and people love it.